Behind us is the construction of our encapsulation and blending rooms for our new probiotic suite at 100 Jefferson in Parsippany, New Jersey. We're about 2 months away from completing the construction of this. We're finalizing the sheetrock and FRP installation. Beyond that, there'll be the final inspection and release to the installation. So the installation of the dust collection systems, as well as electrical, compressed air, as well as our power supplies will come through here. This is finalizing the construction of our encapsulation suites. We'll have 4 suites along these walls here, and then 2 blending suites on the other side. Vitaquest has been manufacturing high-quality probiotic supplements for years, and this new suite takes that expertise even further. This dedicated space is being built specifically for probiotics and is designed to maintain purity, control, and precision at every step. It's an expansion of our capabilities we already do exceptionally well. Now, with even greater focus and scale, we're proud to take what we already do best and give it the specialized space it deserves.